Hi everyone, and thanks for reading the CBS19 Weather blog. This video is designed to help accentuate your experience. So let's talk about how are we going to put together this June forecast. Well, one of the ways we do that is by looking at the weather pattern that was established back in the fall. And we know that pattern is repeating, and certain signature storms within that weather pattern keep coming back. Guess what? Another one of those storms is coming back. This one will be in mid-June. It won't be this strong. It likely won't be in this position because of the weaker jet stream at this time of the year. This upper low will likely be off to the northwest, but still, East Texas may find itself in a setup of severe weather. Temperature-wise, across the state, we should be near average when it comes to temperatures. And I want to show you something else here. Look at the warmer than above average temperatures across the northern plains into the mid-Missouri River Valley, Mississippi River Valley. What's going on here? Well, we have a developing El Nino, and this is one of the signature signs of El Nino, warmer than average temperatures across the northern plains. Now, this will just become established in the summer. We'll likely feel more of this impact as we go into winter, especially when it comes to this precipitation. Typically, in an El Nino year, you have above average precipitation through Texas and Louisiana. And as we start climatological summer on June 1st, it looks like above average rainfall through West Texas and through the Rockies. So let's talk about the June forecast, shall we? What does June hold for us? How about near average temperatures for the month ahead? That means that average daytime highs will climb from the low 90s to about the mid 90s by the end of the month. Near average rainfall, June, one of the two rainiest months of the year, with more than 4 inches of rain on average, so we should see about that. And let's remember, middle of the month, the severe weather setup is possible with a very cool weather day, thanks to that late November setup that we talked about earlier in this video. And watch out for the last week of June. It could turn hot, but we see even a hotter weather pattern developing in the middle part of July, and we'll have more on that on our CBS 19 weather special Friday at 6:30 called The Science of Summer.